take a look at the process of analytics. What is a process? A process is a series of actions or steps taken in order to achieve a particular end. As a lot of us here may be relatively new to analytics, let's try and define a process which we can use for every project that comes our way and which has been tried and tested so that we are fairly confident that at the end of the process, if we follow X, Y, Z steps, we are going to come to the right conclusion. We are going to be able to submit a good analytics project. So let's take a look at the process that we are going to follow. We will follow this 5-step process which starts with define the data that you want to study in order to solve a problem or to meet an objective. Collect the data from appropriate sources. Organize the data by developing tables. Visualize the data by developing charts. And finally, move to statistical analysis of the data to reach conclusions, and very importantly, we should be able to present those conclusions coherently and well so that some actions can be taken on the basis of the analysis that we have done. I am a big fan of this particular book on business statistics, which has been written by Berenson, Levine, and Krehbiel. Now these guys got together, and this is not the, it's not a very recent book. It's a fairly old book and fairly well acceptable in the industry. So these guys got together and tried to write a book for the business guy. They tried to write a statistics book for managers, which focuses on how you and I can make use of this process of DECOVA to do statistical analysis, which is relevant for a business. And in this book, you can find the 5 processes of define the business problem, collect the relevant data. Incidentally, this particular process of collection is also called ETL in data warehousing language, which means extract, transform, and load the data into the analytics system. Organize the data. The third part is to organize the data so that we can create a project data mart. Visualize the data so that we can understand what is the composition of the data on which you and I are going to work for the project. And finally, we look at using statistics to analyze the data or to solve for why. At the end of every statistical process, we would like to have some sort of a model which can be used for decision making. So this book is very easily available online. I think it's the 13th or the 14th edition which is there currently in the market, as well as it's open to free download. If you just go onto Google and ask for free download of this book, you will find multiple sites which allow you to do a free download of the earlier versions of this book.